cities because this is going to go to polls in the first phase of elections. Rallies and door-to-door campaigns changing the electoral landscape of South Kashmir's Shopian district. We can see the life is back here. In fact, post the filing of nominations here in Shopian, large number of candidates came forward to file their nominations. हालात अब सब ठीक है यहाँ पे?
देखिए, हालात तो ठीक है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं जहाँ पर मैं सोचता हूँ, लोगों से बात करता हूँ, एक सब प्रश्न है, ये बात हमको मान लेनी चाहिए। लोग चाहते हैं कि अब सिविल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आए, और इस साल मैं दावे के साथ कहता हूं कि जिस तरीके से रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक कैंडिडेट सिलेक्शंस में आए, उसी तरीके से रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक वोटिंग भी होगी। और कंपटीशन भी काफ़ी टाइट है। अगर हम शोपियान की बात करते हैं, साउथ कश्मीर की बात करते हैं, पीडीपी का राज रहा है यहाँ पे, पीडीपी की कॉलोनी रही है यहाँ पे, और पीडीपी ने कभी यहाँ पर इलेक्शन नहीं हारा था। लेकिन इस साल हिस्ट्री भी बदल सकती है। अगर हम लीडरशिप, सियासी बदलाव की बात करते हैं, हमारे पास ऑप्शंस बिल्कुल लिमिटेड है। वी हैव लिमिटेड पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, पीडीपी, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, अब जेकेएपीआई है या पीसीआई है, बट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की लेक है यहाँ पे। हुकूमत कौन बनाता है वो फिलहाल आने वाला वक्त बताएगा, लेकिन रिजल्ट इज सरप्राइजिंग।
बट आर यू हैप्पी विद द चेंज ऑन द ग्राउंड?
देखिए, जाहिर सी बात है, मैंने यहाँ पे पथराव देखे, मैंने यहाँ पे पलट्स देखे।
We would like to tell our viewers the spot from where I'm reporting right now. This used to be the flashpoint of terror when Kashmir was at the peak of terrorism. We are talking about 10 years ago, and today we are freely moving. People are moving. There's a normal vehicular movement and everything.
Yes, exactly. Everything has changed. I just told you that I have seen bullets in the same market. Whenever this is called Batavora Shopian, because this way go to SV line, I have seen a volatile situation here. But right now everything has changed, and this setup. People are joining mainstream political parties. In afternoon, I met a candidate. He is contesting this election as an independent candidate. I was surprised. He is PhD scholar. You can analyze this. What was the traditional leadership? What was the traditional political parties representatives? Now there are competitive faces. अब लग रहा है मुझे कि शोपियान constituency, once it was the epicenter of turmoil, tension, you can say security lapses, but right now situation is calm. There is, I think there is militancy has been minimized, but now the students, youth, elders, senior citizens, they are joining the mainstream politics.
Daud Naik, a Shopian-based journalist, has made some very, very remarkable points. That there is a certain political shift as far as the way electorate is now going to vote. They're telling me gone are the days when the traditional regional parties ruled the roost here. But these elections are seeing a new breed of candidates that are coming up as the viable choice. Once a bastion of National Conference and PDP, this time the electorate here is telling me that the results can be something different. Not necessarily the regional powerhouses, but they would want to give some sort of opportunity to fresh faces to rule or to perhaps govern.